Y'all here at the flea market. Say what's up, bro.
What's going on, guys?
What's going on, bro? What you want to say? What you want to say?
What's going on?
Says the same thing 3 times, bro. Over here, you already know, about to have a good time.
The flea market.
The flea market.
Yeah.
You know. Damn, bro. We out
Check
here.
it out, guys. Check it out. Oh man, it doesn't work.
Oh, you see, bro?
Man.
You just gotta believe, you know, like it's, you know,
I really wanted to blast this too. AR-15.
Hey, let's just wait. I'm gonna be like making weird noises, you know, in front of people. You know. But just hold up.
Oh man, I hit something.
I got you. Hold up. My throat hurts, you know what I mean?
Good.
Oh man. Shoot. Oh man. Oh shit. I don't know. I hope you got him right.
Yeah,
Some I guess. Sorry, YouTube is alive, y'all. We're here. We're still at the flea market. You know what I mean? Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Oh, Thanksgiving. Merry Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. I can't even hear. She still keeps talking to me. We're over here like a mile away. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Merry Christmas, sir.
Merry Christmas.
Bro. Wait, how long is it until Christmas? Like what?
Like
2 months?
Like 2 months.
2 months or something? It counts. Happy New Year's, guys. Happy New Year's. That's messed up. They didn't say it back.
That's so messed up.
Wow.
Say it at me, New Year's so often.
Yeah. Could be whatever, bro. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're about to eat some mariscos, yo. You ready, bro?
Yeah, man.
Bro, what's up with you, bro? What's up with you, bro?
Leave me alone, bro.